Okay.
If you have a door that's made out of one piece that flips up and it doesn't open, stop.
Stop.
Are you
Start.
ready?
Oh, yeah.
Go.
It's starting.
Okay. Yeah, the reason why this door won't open is one of these springs is broken. Stop. Okay, so now we have changed 2 springs on this side and 2 springs on the other side. And this is the spring that broke. And it used to be like this.
Okay. Okay.
When the spring broke, the door became really heavy and the opener couldn't open it. And now the door is balanced. It's neutral. You see how it stays in every position? So it stays in every position. It's neutral. Hello.
She's in this video now.
And then the other thing, can you stop filming it?
Oh, okay. Okay, go ahead.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, when we change the doors, we check everything, the balance, make sure it's not rubbing, and check the arms for wear. And right there's a sticker, and it says to lubricate all pivot points and moving parts monthly. And then the springs are warranted for 1 year. And in the interest of safety, springs that last 5 years should be replaced. So we're going to do a lubrication of the arms with a quality lubricant. Do not use WD-40. And basically this door should last another 5-10 years before the springs break again. That's it. Okay, are you ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, go. Okay, these are the pivot points. You got to make sure that there's no wear on the arms or on the bearings. Nothing is bent, everything is tight. This is 1 pivot point, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pivot points. And we're done. This door should last a long time.